Allow me to inform you on a few scenarios, and then you may select which one you want, simply by following the procedures explained in this video. You may open your device, such as your laptop or mobile phone, and make a passive revenue stream in less than 30 minutes. After that, you are free from any type of work, and you turn off all of your gadgets, and you spend the rest of your day hanging out with your friends, resting after a hard day of work, or doing whatever you like. And then you go back to collect your profits from doing nothing each day. Now, in the second scenario, you can choose to skip this video and not follow the procedures on this video. Returning to your regular routine without earning any money, the choice is entirely yours, as these are all viable options. However, if you select the first scenario and go to watch this video in order to learn about generating money, I want to assure you that it is true, and that it works everywhere, and your options for making money are limitless. If it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. For this video, we will be utilizing GIFs as our means to generate money, and you will get paid for every GIF you may ask. How on earth are you able to do that? Well, to start off, let's first define and understand what a GIF is. Based on this Google definition, a lossless format for image files that supports both animated and static images. When you type in the word GIF on Google, you will be given thousands of search results presenting you with these GIFs. But I'm sure you're already familiar with what they are, given with that little background. I'm sure you've already sorted in your mind about what a GIF is. In light of that, I want you to visit the website called Giphy.com. Giphy.com is a website where you can find thousands and thousands of GIFs that are posted by millions of people across the entire globe, varying from different genres of GIFs. You do not need to upload anything on this website, as you will be getting paid for merely downloading the GIFs from Giphy.com. Without further ado, let me now tell you the step-by-step procedure as to how to make this work and perform it correctly so that you may begin to earn money. First, just visit their website, Giphy.com. Next, you can choose from two things as to how you want to proceed. You can browse through the webpage yourself and handpick GIFs, or you may choose to navigate using the Google search box to look for particular GIFs that you may need, such as follower account on Instagram, like count on Facebook, retweet count on Twitter, subscriber count on YouTube, and so many more. Now, let's say you're looking for a GIF that is about Facebook like count. So what you will do is use the search box and type in Facebook like count, just like this. Now, the website will offer you a wide array of GIFs that you will want to use again. You can go straight to Giphy.com and look for Facebook like count GIFs, or you may opt to search on Google and then explore the results. But for this, we are going to focus on using Giphy.com. From this variety of GIFs, choose whatever GIFs you may like according to your personal need of utilization. Now that we are through with that, we are going to go to the third step, which is step 3. It's all about saving and downloading the GIFs to your device. After choosing the perfect GIF for your own use, when using your computer or laptop and you're on the desktop version, just simply click right on the chosen GIF and move your cursor to the option to save image, and then click on that. By then, your chosen GIF is now saved on your computer. Ready for the next step? For this, I want you to go to Eclincher.com. This website will allow you to share content and your work with other users worldwide. To give you a little something, this is actually the top-rated social media management platform in all of the world. This will facilitate business companies and just regular people like you and me in growing their accounts on social media automatically, because this website will have their work cut out for them already by maintaining and developing their respective accounts according to the website. It is guaranteed to boost your social media ROI in order to increase your reach across the platform that you use. It's got an agile team with the most updated technology, with a sturdy and strong support team ready to help you every second of the day. Furthermore, you can better execute strategies and collaborate effectively with each other since Eclincher continually adds values and features to help your account grow, and also, Eclincher has got powerful integration since it works on various famous social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and so many more. Eclincher is a tool that is absolutely free, through and through. Also, this is very ideal for beginners with no prior skills and experience in regards with handling social media, because, as I said, it will help you grow your account. As you can see here, Eclincher is already featured on news outlets worldwide, such as the Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, and more popular media outlets with massive audiences in general. For the fourth step, just visit eclincher.com and follow these steps above. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Where were we? Oh, right, step number 5. For this step, I want you to work your way down to the bottom of the web page, and below the column for the Eclincher heading, you need to click on the one that says Partner or Affiliate. This step requires you to join their affiliate program in order to convert those GIFs into actual money, and keep in mind that each of those GIFs can give you hundreds of dollars. So stay with me and find out how you can accomplish this. Let me tell you this. In just 2020 alone, roughly half of the world's population, or around 3.6 billion people around the world, are all avid users of social media. And that number is expected to rise further in 2025, which is estimated to be at around 4.4 billion. And that only means that a lot of people can benefit from eclincher.com. And for each of those people that you refer, expect that you will gain over $100 given this information. I want you to apply for the affiliate program, and that's for step 5. Just click on the apply button right here. Now, welcome to this page. This page is where you will input your valid email address, your first name and last name. In the box for the website, just paste the website that you will use for traffic. So just leave it as it is for now. Don't worry about this because you will not be making your own website anyway. Later on, I'll show you the platform where you will obtain traffic. Then you can just add the link shortly after for the company name. Input your company name if you have one, but if you don't, then just simply leave it blank because it won't matter that much anyway. For the country part, just locate the name of your country and click on it. What's great about this is that they are open and diverse since they cater to so many users worldwide. Afterwards, you will then be asked to craft your own password, then plug your social media links in the boxes provided. Once you're done with that, make sure to read the affiliate terms and conditions posted by clicking on the link, and when you have finished, simply check the boxes on the right if you do agree to the terms. Next, just click on the button to finish the CAPTCHA, and finally, hit the button that says Sign Up. After signing up, you can now have access to your unique affiliate link, and whenever you send it to someone and they click on it, they are now open to sign up for eclincher.com. Now moving on to step 6, where I will tell you how you will be able to reach millions of people with your affiliate link. For step 6, you must have your affiliate link and begin to drive traffic using the free download GIFs that we had earlier. Just visit the website called imager.com, then start signing up. Signing up for this website will not take you longer than a minute, as it is very quick and easy, and of course, your account will be given to you for free for your entire life. After successfully registering, you now need to publish the free downloaded GIFs that you had earlier. To do this, click on the button on the upper left side that says New Post, and it will redirect you to a web page where you will have to click twice on the GIFs that you previously downloaded. You should then expect that it will look something like this, which is highly attractive to look at. Don't forget to write a caption for your GIF and use the best of your creativity to come up with a caption that captivates the attention of audiences so that they will click the affiliate link where you will earn 100 per person in the description below. Use your creativity to input a catchy slogan and, of course, attach your affiliate link on the side. You can see tags where you will type in some relevant and timely tags in order to reach your target audiences for the GIFs. Since we had Facebook like count, add tags that correspond to the GIF, like influencer Facebook, with any tags that you can think of. With your killer combo of an attractive GIF, a catchy caption, a witty description, relevant tags in your affiliate link, You will surely catch people's attention worldwide. Review all of these and finally publish your work to the community, where hundreds of millions of people are able to view your posts on Imager.com. To do this, click on the button that says to the community, then click on Post Publicly. With that, you have already published your GIF, and people from every corner of the world will now be able to see your post. And of course, you will be paid for every person that signs up for Eclincher.com using your affiliate link. Do this as many times as you want, and just make sure that your content is appealing to the audiences. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone, and see you in our next video.